This is an audio test with the Ray-Ban Metas. They have 5 microphones in them, so it'll be interesting to hear how it sounds. Does it sound alright? This is an audio test with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. These actually have 3 microphones in them. One is used to record the audio and the other 2 are used for noise cancellation. So it'll be interesting to hear how this sounds. This is a vlogging test for the Meta Ray-Bans. Now what's actually cool about these is I can see my reflection in the sunglasses. So it actually kind of feels like I'm vlogging, but it's weird to be talking to glasses. But yeah, how does it look and sound? I'm holding them sideways, so it should be a horizontal video. This is a vlogging test for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the front-facing camera. How does it look and sound?